planning a family trip to the nation's capital? Discover the ultimate guide to the best things to do in Washington, D.C. with kids. From hands-on museums and thrilling outdoor adventures to iconic landmarks and hidden gems, this vibrant city offers unforgettable experiences for all ages. Get ready to explore, learn, and create lasting memories on your next adventure. Number 25. Swing and putt at Swingers Crazy Golf, DuPont Circle. Step into a whimsical world of mini golf at Swingers Crazy Golf, where creative courses feature quirky obstacles and vibrant themes. Perfect for families, this indoor venue combines friendly competition with fun. Kids and adults alike will enjoy putting through playful challenges while soaking in the lively atmosphere. Swingers is an ideal spot for a memorable family outing. Number 24. Step back in time at Mount Vernon. Experience the legacy of George Washington at Mount Vernon, a beautifully maintained estate offering a glimpse into 18th century life. Explore the historic mansion, stroll through vibrant gardens, and watch demonstrations at the working farm. The immersive education center features hands-on exhibits and artifacts. Sweeping views of the Potomac River enhance the charm of this historical treasure. 23rd. Immerse in design at the National Building Museum. The grandeur of the National Building Museum captures attention with its towering columns and expansive Great Hall. Exhibits delve into architecture, engineering, and urban planning, and feature hands-on experiences in the building zone. Rotating installations provide fresh perspectives on design, sparking creativity and curiosity. This architectural gem combines education and wonder, making it a standout destination for all ages. Number 22. Relax at Lubber Run Park. A peaceful creek winds through the heart of Lubber Run Park, surrounded by shaded trails and tranquil woodlands. The outdoor amphitheater hosts seasonal events, adding a cultural touch to this natural retreat. Open spaces invite playful exploration, while the park's quiet corners encourage moments of calm reflection. With its inviting charm and scenic beauty, this hidden gem feels worlds away from the city. Number 21. Witness the thrill at Gravelly Point and Haynes Point. Watch planes soar just overhead at Gravelly Point, a unique spot along the Potomac River, perfect for aviation enthusiasts. Nearby, Haynes Point offers expansive views, scenic picnic areas, and quiet trails, ideal for a relaxing escape. Together, these destinations blend the thrill of low-flying aircraft with tranquil waterfront charm, which makes for a dynamic experience that delights all who visit. Number 20. Explore the National Arboretum. A vibrant collection of gardens, towering trees, and the iconic Capitol columns awaits at the National Arboretum. The Bonsai and Penjing Museum enchants with intricate miniature landscapes, while seasonal blooms add bursts of color. Winding paths lead to hidden gems and offer a serene setting for discovery. This lush oasis combines natural beauty and thoughtful design, leaving a lasting impression on every visitor. Number 19. Feel the energy at DC's sports scene. The excitement of live sports comes alive in Washington, D.C., creating memorable moments to share with your kid. Nationals Park hosts the Washington Nationals, where the crack of the bat ignites cheers. At Capital One Arena, the Washington Wizards bring thrilling basketball matchups, while Audi Field buzzes with energy as DC United scores in the heart of soccer action. 18. Experience Planet Word. Unlock the magic of language at Planet Word, a museum that transforms words into interactive adventures. Exhibits spark creativity through storytelling, word games, and immersive installations like a karaoke room and Speaking Willow, an interactive tree installation. The playful design ensures curiosity flourishes, and the engaging atmosphere inspires every visitor to explore the boundless possibilities of communication and expression. 17. Discover the National Museum of the American Indian. A stunning celebration of indigenous cultures unfolds at the National Museum of the American Indian. Marvel at beautifully curated exhibits featuring artifacts, art, and oral histories that span centuries. The Interactive Imaginations Activity Center captivates younger guests with hands-on learning experiences, while the museum's architecture and storytelling weave a vivid tapestry of Native heritage. Number 16. Visit the White House and the White House Visitor Center. Step into American history at the White House and its Visitor Center, where exhibits delve into the lives of presidents and the evolution of the nation's most famous residents. Artifacts, videos, and interactive displays reveal fascinating details about its architecture and legacy. This iconic destination offers an inspiring look into the heart of U.S. leadership. 15. Explore the Smithsonian National Museum of American History. Delve into the stories that define the United States at the National Museum of American History. Iconic artifacts like the Star-Spangled Banner and Dorothy's ruby slippers bring history to life. Interactive displays highlight innovations, cultural milestones, and pivotal moments. The museum's engaging exhibits provide a rich tapestry of the nation's heritage, inspiring discovery and understanding. Number 14. Walk the Georgetown Waterfront Park and explore Georgetown. The Georgetown Waterfront Park offers scenic river views, walking paths, and peaceful picnic spots. Beyond the park, Georgetown's cobblestone streets beckon with boutique shops, charming cafes, and historic landmarks like the Old Stone House. Whether savoring sweet treats from local bakeries or soaking in the picturesque canal, this vibrant neighborhood brims with character and charm. 13. Relax at the tidal basin. Cherry trees frame the tranquil tidal basin, a serene setting for a leisurely stroll or paddle boat ride. Stunning views of monuments like the Jefferson and Martin Luther King Jr. memorials create a picture-perfect backdrop. During spring, the iconic blossoms transform the basin into a breathtaking oasis, presenting a peaceful escape in the heart of the city. Number 12. Learn at the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. A visit to the museum's Daniel Story exhibit introduces young visitors to the Holocaust through a child's perspective. Immersive displays recreate the world of a young Jewish boy, allowing kids to connect with history in a relatable way. The exhibit fosters empathy and helps young visitors develop a deeper understanding of the past. 11th. See the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. Set against the calm waters of the tidal basin, the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial features a towering sculpture and inspiring inscriptions. Young visitors can engage with the powerful words carved into the stone, sparking conversations about equality and justice. The serene setting combines education with a profound sense of awe. Number 10. Marvel at the National Gallery of Art's Sculpture Garden and visit the National Gallery of Art. Admire whimsical sculptures that invite exploration in the open-air garden, from a towering typewriter eraser to a playful metal tree. Inside the National Gallery of Art, dynamic collections and family-friendly audio guides make art accessible to younger visitors. Seasonal ice skating and summer jazz in the garden add extra layers of fun and create unforgettable memories. Number 9. Visit the Smithsonian National Postal Museum. This museum delivers hands-on fun for young visitors. Design a custom stamp, hop into the cab of a vintage postal truck, or take a ride in a recreated stagecoach. Kids can also sort packages in a mailroom simulation and send a postcard home. Interactive exhibits make learning about the history of mail exciting and engaging for all ages. Number 8. Take a tour of Ford's Theater. Step back in time at Ford's Theater, where history comes alive through interactive exhibits and a captivating look at Abraham Lincoln's legacy. The museum features artifacts and stories that spark curiosity, while the historic theater itself offers an immersive glimpse into a pivotal moment in American history. The engaging environment invites younger visitors to connect with the past in a meaningful way. 7. Stroll through the National Mall and climb the Washington Monument. A walk along the National Mall becomes an adventure with open spaces perfect for exploration and iconic landmarks at every turn. The highlight for many is the Washington Monument, where an elevator ride to the top reveals breathtaking city views. From spotting ducks in the reflecting pool to discovering monuments steeped in history, it's an unforgettable experience for younger adventurers. Number 6. Discover the International Spy Museum. Dive into a world of intrigue at the International Spy Museum, where kids can embark on an undercover mission packed with puzzles and challenges. Interactive exhibits let young spies decode secret messages, crawl through air ducts, and test their skills in surveillance. This state-of-the-art facility in L'Enfant Plaza combines hands-on activities with fascinating artifacts, offering a full day of excitement and adventure for curious minds. 5. Wander the U.S. Botanic Garden. The U.S. Botanic Garden is a treasure trove of discovery for young explorers. A scavenger hunt sends them searching for plants to stamp their botanical passports. In the children's garden, they can pump water, dig with tools, and even help staff plant flowers. With vibrant displays and engaging activities, this lush oasis is perfect for playful learning surrounded by natural beauty. Number 4. Visit the Smithsonian National Zoo. A visit to the Smithsonian National Zoo offers thrilling encounters with animals from around the globe. Children can marvel at Sumatran tigers, watch sea lions perform, and spot playful orangutans swinging overhead on the O-line. Interactive demonstrations and keeper talks make every moment engaging. Spread across 163 acres in Rock Creek Park, this free zoo is a must-see destination for animal lovers. Number 3. Explore the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum. At the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum and its Stephen F. Udvar-Hazy Center, aviation and space exploration come to life. Kids can marvel at the Space Shuttle Discovery, sit in a fighter jet simulator, and explore exhibits featuring iconic aircraft like the Concorde. The observation tower at Udvar-Hazy offers thrilling views of planes in action, making this a captivating experience for future pilots and astronauts. Number 2. Enjoy hands-on fun at the National Children's Museum. The National Children's Museum sparks imagination with its Dream Machine, a 3-story climber and slide that tests balance, strength, and agility. Kids love bouncing through LED-lit cloud sculptures and exploring STEAM-themed exhibits packed with interactive play. From creating art to conducting science experiments, every activity fuels creativity and curiosity, ensuring hours of fun and discovery in this vibrant, kid-centric space. Number 1. Engage at the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. Journey through time at the National Museum of Natural History, where visitors can encounter giant dinosaur skeletons and watch live tarantula feedings. The Butterfly Pavilion offers an enchanting walk among fluttering wings, while interactive exhibits like the Fossil Base Camp provide hands-on learning about evolution and ancient creatures. This museum combines awe-inspiring displays with activities that leave a lasting impression. If you found this video helpful and want to discover more about the US, don't miss our Travel the US playlist. And remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting travel content. We'd love to hear your favorite DC spots in the comments.